Just the dirt.
Tough downhill, dude.
Not my truck's strong point.
Oh boy. Settle. Settle. Oh boy. It's okay.
A little bit of space between me and you there. Tough exit.
All right, brass, do your job. $46 worth of SSD does it. Yes.
There you go. There you go.
Look at that.
There you go.
That's capable, I'm telling you. I don't know if I can do that or not. Here I'm in the same position.
Nice, dude. Yeah, go a little left of me. Perfect.
You recording? Should we wait for better light?
It's okay.
My roll cage really bites on things.
Same way you went up before. Oh boy. I went too far. Start over.
Okay. Yeah, take two.
Yeah. This is the tough part right here. Oh yeah. Wow, dude. Wheel up.
Seriously, look at this. 5,000.
2,000. Left. Oh boy. Hard right. Nice. Dude, that was beautiful. Awesome. Toughest line here, dude.
Crazy.
Swear to God.
Crazy. Doesn't look it.
Nope. See, and then mine's terrible because of the bumper. It's like I can't even get up there.
Sucks that back tire up.
Come on, shifts.
Nice.
What was that, dude?
That was our first time through.
That was my first time through.
Wow.
That was sick, dude.
That was sick.
Pretty sure it's further that way. Yeah, like maybe there. Yep, I'm pretty sure that's it. Yep.
Feels good.
Just a little.
Feels
Right,
like
baby.
feels right.
Somewhere right there. Somewhere right there. Who wants it? There you go. This way. Yeah, baby.
There it is. Oh, that's a very delicate. Like, there's no powering up that.
No.
That one's got to be done on sheer finesse. I probably wouldn't have believed it if you hadn't told me.
Oh no.
Yes, there it is. God damn it. God damn. Which is nice.
With the IFS.
Yeah, with the IFS. Mine, you can see the hood really rising up and it pulls away from the rock. We're within fractions of getting it.
On tires. Yeah, baby.
See. Okay, Honchobolt's redeemed slightly.
Yes.
Slightly.
Nice, dude. Nice.
There. And it's so easy when you figure that out. Wow. Doesn't even struggle. It's like, what do you
Keep
want?
going.
Just teach me how to drive.